Yeah. I feel sorry for him. Where's his mother? Yeah. Oh, that's good. That helps. This is one of these deals where I could pull off the whole limb from the shock load, but there's not a whole lot of alternatives here, so that's what we're going with. It's not light, it's not real heavy, but it's sure as hell not light. Slide through there. Might take a couple small things out. Those wires are a little farther back. I don't think I'll be saving that recorded. It slipped right off the damn thing because it's so smooth, you know. But it wasn't. It took out the small limb I thought it would, and then it went right through. So, lucky I had the thingamajig up far enough to where it didn't get there. I do? Huh. Didn't seem too bad to me, but